France has taken a significant step to bolster NATO's eastern defenses by deploying 3 Rafale fighter jets to Poland, signaling a firm commitment to regional security amid growing tensions along Europe's eastern frontier. The decision, announced by French President Emmanuel Macron, comes in response to a series of incursions by Russian drones into Polish airspace, which have raised alarm both in Warsaw and across NATO member states. Macron emphasized that the deployment is intended not only to strengthen Poland's immediate air defense capabilities but also to reinforce the collective security posture of NATO in a region that has become increasingly exposed to potential threats. The Rafale jets represent some of the most advanced fighter aircraft in Europe, capable of performing a wide range of missions including air policing, reconnaissance, and early warning operations. By deploying these aircraft to Poland, France aims to ensure that NATO maintains a credible deterrent against any further violations of airspace along its eastern borders. Macron stressed that the deployment reflects France's commitment to working closely with its European allies to maintain stability and security in the face of an unpredictable security environment. This move follows Macron's earlier discussions with Polish Prime Minister Władysław Kosiniak-Kamysz, reinforcing France's promise to assist Warsaw in defending its skies and contributing to NATO's broader regional strategy. The timing of the deployment is closely linked to escalating Russian drone activity along Poland's border with Ukraine, where the ongoing conflict has heightened security concerns. Warsaw has repeatedly requested support from its NATO allies to strengthen its air defense and surveillance capabilities, highlighting the increasing complexity of threats posed by unmanned aerial vehicles. These drones have demonstrated the potential to breach national airspace undetected, prompting urgent calls for Allied reinforcement. In response, France has positioned itself as a key partner in addressing these emerging challenges, deploying not only advanced aircraft but also experienced personnel capable of integrating seamlessly with NATO operations. France's decision to send Rafale jets to Poland also reflects a broader diplomatic effort to solidify unity among NATO members in the face of Russian assertiveness. Following the announcement, Macron engaged in consultations with NATO Secretary-General Jens Stoltenberg and UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, both of whom expressed support for increasing the alliance's military presence in the region. These conversations underscore the importance of coordinated action among European powers to ensure the security of NATO's eastern flank. By aligning military deployments with diplomatic engagement, France and its allies aim to demonstrate a united front capable of deterring potential aggression while reassuring frontline states of NATO's commitment to collective defense. The deployment has been welcomed by Polish officials, who view the arrival of Rafale jets as a critical enhancement to their national air defense. Polish Defense Minister Kosiniak-Kamysz emphasized that the combined presence of French and British aircraft, including Eurofighter jets, will significantly strengthen NATO's ability to monitor and secure the skies over Poland. The minister also noted that the Czech Republic has pledged support by providing 3 Mi-171Sh helicopters and approximately 100 troops, reflecting a broader regional effort to reinforce air defense and rapid response capabilities. This multinational cooperation highlights the importance of shared responsibility and interoperability among NATO members when addressing complex security challenges along the alliance's eastern borders. Operationally, the Rafale jets will integrate with existing Polish and Allied air defense systems, performing missions designed to detect, deter, and respond to potential threats. While specific operational details remain classified, it is expected that French pilots will work closely with their Polish counterparts to establish coordinated air patrols, maintain continuous surveillance, and provide rapid response capabilities in the event of further incursions. This integration not only enhances the tactical readiness of NATO forces but also allows member states to benefit from France's extensive experience in managing advanced air combat systems and conducting joint operations in complex environments. The strategic significance of this deployment extends beyond immediate air defense concerns. By positioning Rafale jets in Poland, France is sending a clear message regarding NATO's resolve to uphold the principles of collective defense as outlined in Article 5 of the alliance's charter. The presence of advanced fighter aircraft acts as both a deterrent to potential adversaries and a reassurance to neighboring countries that NATO is prepared to respond decisively to threats against its members. In this context, the deployment serves as a tangible demonstration of solidarity and a reinforcement of the alliance's credibility in the face of an increasingly dynamic security environment. Moreover, the Rafale deployment underscores the evolving nature of modern aerial threats and the importance of rapid, adaptable responses. Russian drone incursions have highlighted the vulnerability of national airspace to small, technologically advanced platforms capable of conducting reconnaissance or limited strikes without detection. Addressing these challenges requires a combination of advanced aircraft, robust air defense networks, and close coordination among allied forces. By deploying Rafales, France is not only enhancing Poland's immediate defensive capabilities but also contributing to the development of NATO's collective expertise in countering unmanned aerial threats. This approach reflects a broader trend in contemporary military strategy, where adaptability, technological integration, and multinational cooperation are increasingly critical to maintaining regional security. The political dimensions of the deployment are equally significant. Macron's announcement demonstrates France's proactive role in European security and its willingness to assume leadership responsibilities within NATO. By responding promptly to Poland's request for assistance, France reinforces its position as a reliable partner and a stabilizing force in the region. This initiative also complements ongoing diplomatic efforts to strengthen transatlantic ties, as coordination with the United Kingdom, the Czech Republic, and NATO leadership illustrates a shared commitment to collective defense. Such cooperation is essential not only for deterring potential threats but also for fostering trust and interoperability among alliance members, ensuring that NATO remains an effective and credible security organization in an increasingly volatile geopolitical landscape. The deployment of Rafale jets also has broader implications for regional security beyond Poland. By enhancing NATO's eastern flank, France contributes to the overall deterrence posture of the alliance, signaling to potential adversaries that any aggression against member states will be met with a coordinated and capable response. The presence of advanced aircraft in proximity to conflict zones underscores NATO's readiness to project power and maintain stability in Europe's border regions. Additionally, the integration of multinational forces, including French, British, and Czech contributions, provides a model for how NATO can adapt its operational posture to emerging threats while maintaining a unified approach to defense. In conclusion, France's decision to send 3 Rafale fighter jets to Poland represents a strategic, political, and operational milestone for NATO's eastern defenses. The deployment responds directly to Russian drone incursions, strengthens air defense capabilities, and demonstrates France's commitment to alliance solidarity. By integrating advanced aircraft with allied forces, France ensures that NATO can conduct effective air policing, early warning, and deterrence missions along a critical frontier. Beyond immediate defense concerns, the deployment signals a broader message of unity, resilience, and readiness to potential adversaries, reaffirming the importance of multinational cooperation in maintaining European security. As tensions persist along Poland's eastern border, the presence of Rafale jets will play a pivotal role in safeguarding the alliance's interests and providing reassurance to frontline states facing evolving aerial threats.